Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have materials ready. Start by printing a 1:1 cardboard template sized to your phone. Fold and score the cardstock along the dashed lines so creases are sharp, which ensures snug assembly later. Cut out the display window and phone tray with a utility knife. Use a metal ruler to keep edges straight. Position the 245mm lenses in the marked circles. Test alignment by holding the phone at eye distance. Once lens positions look centered, secure them temporarily with tape, so the next steps use exact alignment. Now focus on optics. Apply glue around each lens rim and seat them so the convex side faces the phone. A 2-3mm inward offset helps achieve the correct focal plane. Align the lenses to the template centerline, then slide your phone into the tray and display a split image or cardboard test app to confirm both eyes see separate halves. Make small adjustments before glue sets. Reinforce mounts using folded cardstock tabs glued underneath. Strong mounts prevent wobble and preserve sharp focus when you move. Finish by folding all tabs and locking the body into its final shape. Secure the head strap with Velcro or an elastic band so the viewer sits steady. Install the magnetic or capacitive button where the template indicates. Test it with a calibration app to ensure it triggers reliably. Once assembled, run a VR demo and inspect for double image or blur. If things go wrong, adjust lens spacing symmetrically and reseat the phone. Small lateral misalignment is the usual culprit and is fixable without rebuilding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.